but I think once again Magesi is standing tall, but being very effective when going forward with the likes of Sibanyoni. But I tell you what, Orlando Pirates have been working on their set plays, because 5 different set plays, 5 different variations, and this one, what a free kick, brilliant movement, brilliant timing, and an excellent finish from Tito.
I think the coaching point is when Rile makes the first dummy, they drop. Nkota makes the second dummy, they drop. It then creates that space around the D line for Rile to then just lay the ball off for Tito Maswanganyi. He takes it first time, a good shot. The bounce in front of the goalkeeper makes it difficult for Chipezeze to make the save, but good routine. I think Mandla Ncikazi should be proud of such a set play coming off, because this must be something that they've been working on at training.
That's a 7th assist of the campaign for Rile Mofokeng. It is one of the first of a number of efforts that Pirates have had a goal this evening so far, and we'll see those efforts play out in the next couple of minutes as well, because Pirates really have been in control for the most part of the first 45.
Yeah, using this pace of Nkota from a set play. This is when Magesi takes all the men forward. Here's another opportunity where we see the quality set plays, different variations, just nobody at the far post there to finish it off for Orlando Pirates.
I think if there's something that they've been doing right is the movement to be able to create space. Again, Rile Mofokeng drops into that 10 pocket. He turns. As soon as he turns, he drives forward and creates that opportunity for Mbata, unlucky to come off the upright.
So then, Pirates failing to get their second, and that meant that Makesi sort of started to grow into the game, Stiga, and with their only effort on target in the first 45, they get the equalizer.
And this is how Magesi gets further up the pitch. The ball is played to Sibanyoni. He does extremely well with his back to goal. He holds up play, allows for players to join him. This is the first touch he gets, and immediately there's movement in and around him. And I think Chimandara with an excellent strike. You know, it's very difficult to criticize the goalkeeper, because Pamutsa's a striker. He knows that angle. If you get it accurate and hard and low, it's very difficult for the goalkeeper to get down. What an excellent finish there.
I think for me, it's the ball that comes from Matima to find Sibanyoni, who holds the ball up, then rotates or changes the point of attack to be able to find Chirambadara in that distance. Any youngster watching, they coach you to go across the goalkeeper when the angle is like that. But for me, excellent finish coming from Chirambadara, well taken goal.
That is typical of Owen Dagama as coach of Magesi Football Club. They always find a way, isn't it? They've got
the radio man. Ufuna lapha ke uTito Patrick Tito Maswanganyi TLP izofuna ke uSlepe ihlala kamnandi lapha ke Nkota yalla Koto ayikhahlele lengane yakwaNkota ayibuya ngokuzolala isilipheke yalipheka uthi yasama Mohankota kwake liphuma lapha ke phezu kwepali ayiphola lakhe ke Mohankota uzokwenziwa ke ushintsho uzongena ke kusigwebo sentambo sekofatso Mabasa uzophuma Innocent Mayela uzongena lapha ke Madiba ushayelwa ke ihlombe Innocent Mayela ubonga lapha ke abalandeli be-Orlando Pirates yena ke Innocent Mayela bathi ke Mayela awubuzwe nje iyafanelisa ngempela ke lensizwa yakwaMayela yena ke Innocent Mayela ulisevile kodwa ke iqembu le-Orlando Pirates eyindondo ke ze-MTN 8 ezine uloku khona eyindondo ze-Nedbank Cup uloku khona iyaqukula nje Orlando Pirates uloku khona yena ke Innocent Mayela awu Mayela uyayiyela uzongena lapha ke Yanga Madiba phakamisa iTLP ifuna lapha ke uTito langeqeda ke ngomtsi Matima khipha lapha ke pass uTito yalla Koto Indoda Chipezes funa ngapha kulenkundla pheleke uSmisi phakemeke ibhola iyanga Madiba liphakathi eboxini Mabasa Mufukeng Okuyazama Mufukeng bathabe Orlando Pirates bayabuya kule mzuzu emthathu esele Okuyadla uright Marayfetsa yena ke Mufukeng emsethelile uMabasa Kalo uphela nje indoda nendoda izothatha ke iphuzu bese ke beyiqeda kahle ke isizini behambe ke beyophumula sesiyobabona ke amaqembu la omabili ngesizini ke ezayo engicanga ukuthi ke na kanjani ngenyanga kaAugust izothi ke iqale iyona ke isizini yawo lapha ke iBetway Premiership kube isizini enhle ke mbukeli emaqenjini ke ahlukahlukene Mamelodi Sundowns inqobe lapha ke iliga kwathi ke Orlando Pirates yathola lapha ke indebe